Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to enable developer options on your Android device. Developer options provide advanced settings and features that can enhance your Android experience. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Settings menu. Once you're at the bottom, you might not see the developer options right away. Search for About Phone in the Settings search bar. Here in the About Phone section, you'll find various details about your device, such as the Android version, MIUI version, storage, and more. What we need to do now is tap on the MIUI version multiple times, about 10 times or so, until you see a message that says you are now a developer. Great, you've successfully unlocked the developer options. Now, let's go back to the main settings menu and access them. Scroll down again, and this time, look for additional settings. Once you find it, tap on it to continue. If you don't see developer options listed here, don't worry. You can simply type developer options in the settings search bar, and it should show up as the first result. Go ahead and tap on it. Congratulations, you've successfully entered developer options mode. From here, you have access to a range of advanced settings and features that can help you customize and optimize your Android device. Simply toggle the switch next to USB debugging to the on position. You might be prompted to grant permission for this feature. Just go ahead and allow it. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled developer options on your Android device and activated USB debugging. Remember, developer options provide a variety of advanced features, so feel free to explore and experiment with them to further enhance your Android experience. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.